Okay. Hello everyone. Myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic Belagavi. Okay. So today I am going to discuss regarding a for loop. Okay. In a for loop, these are the contents. First one is syntax. Second one is flow control. Third one is the flow chart. And one example I am going to discuss. So see here. For loop syntax. A for loop, it is a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write a loops that needs to be executed in a specific number of times. Okay, so any loop that is going to repeat the execution process. Okay, so it is a repetition control structure that allows you to write efficiently. Okay, so there is a syntax for a for loop in written in usually in a C++. Okay, that is for initialization, a condition and increment. Okay, and you are going to write statements in a flower bracket. That is the syntax. Okay, so see here there is a flow control. So here is the flow control in a for loop. So you can see this the screen. So first you are going to initialization step is executed first and at only once. These steps allows you to declare and initialize any loop control variables. You are required to put a statement here. Okay, as long as semicolon appears. Okay, so you are going to keep the statement. There will be a front semicolon to be kept. Next, the condition is evaluated. There is a condition. Okay, so I will show in next slide. That is a condition how you are going to write. So if it is true, means for example, so there is a is less than 20. Okay, so that type of condition. Okay, so if it is true, the body of the loop means a value is less than the 20. Okay, the body of the loop is going to execute, means whatever you are writing in a flower bracket. Okay, so it is false, then the body of the loop is does not executed and flow of the control jumps to the next statement. Okay, just after the for loop. Okay, so means for loop is terminated. So for after the body of the loop executed, okay, the flow control jumps back up to the increment states. Means there is a is less than 20, means it is true. Okay, it is going to execute the body. Okay, means there is a program whatever inside the bracket that is executed. Okay, and then after execution it is going to jump to the increment state. Okay, so increment state, then the statement can be left in the blank. Okay, as long as the semicolon appears. Okay, it is written in the left side. Okay, like a equal to a plus 1, you are going to increment the value. A value you are going to increment. Again, the condition is now evaluated again. If it is true, the loop executes and the process repeats itself. So body of the loop, then increment step and then again condition. Okay, after the condition becomes false, the for loop terminates. There is a for loop. So you can see here there is a flow chart. So first what you are doing here, there is a for loop, there is a condition, increment will be there, and whatever the conditional code will be there, you are writing in the flower bracket. Just see here. So what will happen here? First you are going to initialize the variables or data types. Okay, then what you are going to do? Then check the condition, whatever written in the for loop. Okay, you are going to check the condition. If it is true, then what you are going to do? If it is true, then code block that has been written inside the for statement that to be executed. Okay, so next what we will do? So executed. After that you are going to increment. Okay, means a value to be incremented. Again you are going to check the condition. If it is true, again the loop is repeated. Okay, if it is false, then what happens? Whatever the value will be there in a code block, okay, that will not be executed. Okay, directly for loop is terminated. Okay, so see here one example I have shown here, that is you are going to count, that is here hash include IO stream, that is a preprocessor I am using. There is a int main function I am using, and there is a initialization for a for loop with a data type integer, that is a value I have taken, that is 10, and a value is less than 20. Okay, a is less than 20, then this whatever the body will be there, that is going to executed. Okay, that is true, condition is true, then it is executed. Okay, then again a value is incremented with a equal to a plus 1, then automatically the process is repeated. Right? So again a is less than 20, again it is whatever the statement will be there in a body, that is executed. Okay, suppose a value is greater than 20, automatically what happens, the a value is a value will not be incremented, means it is going to end the statement. Okay, it is going to end the line. Okay, so means it is going to directly it is going to return the it is going to return to the 0. Getting? So this is the how you are going to execute the for loop programming. Okay, thank you.